Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a Valentine's Day swap that I joined. Basically what we were supposed to do is create a loaded bag or a loaded envelope with 10 items. And those items could be handmade items. You had to include at least, I think, 2 store-bought items. And yeah, the requirements were really, they weren't hard to meet at all. This was supposed to be mailed out the 8th, and me and my partner, I'm so happy. Like, guys, I met my new friend. Her name is Zuly. She's from Puerto Rico, and she is so sweet, guys. So I'm just so grateful to have joined this, even though I'm like really late mailing this out and I feel terrible about it. And I actually had I wasn't sure if I wanted to join or not. I kind of hesitated on joining because I felt like I wouldn't be able to have enough time to create the stuff that I wanted to do. And so I am late. Me and her decided to mail out, I think it was Monday or Tuesday. And I'm actually going to be a week late. She actually sent me her box. I got it on Valentine's Day. But I would have felt so bad about opening it without having her stuff ready. So tomorrow's President's Day. I don't think the post office is going to be open. So for sure Tuesday I will be mailing this out. So let me show you guys what I created. Okay, so here are some goodies for her. I just used some tissue paper. I really struggled with finding some wrapping paper. I was like, I need to go out and buy some. But then another part, I didn't have time to do it today. So I was just like, let me just use what I have and get this done so that I could mail this out. So I just used some of this Dollar Tree gift wrapping paper. And I just decorated the top by folding out some crepe paper, added a little eyelash trim, and I stuck one of my rosettes on here. So that's the package with her. It's full of goodies. Of course, I went over what I was supposed to do like always because I got issues. I don't know. This is another gift that I made for her. I like to really include like something personalized for whoever I'm swapping with. I try my best to do that. So let me show you guys what I created. I hope that she loves it. It's a little shaker heart stand thing that she can hang in her room. It says Zuly. And then there's a little shaker bits. These were at Dollar Tree. And I just altered it. It's kind of self-explanatory. I just painted it this pink color. And then I added some paper, put some gems. Before I laid the paper down, I put some tulle to make the shaker window. I put her name on the back of this. And I added a little tulle bow. And then here, I kind of struggled. So I should have really decorated this first and then decorate the bottom. But I started with the bottom. What's really throwing me off are these flowers. Are like, they have like some yellow to it. I tried to like paint over it and I don't know. It still turned out beautiful. I think that it's gorgeous. And I used some of that Bo Bunny, what is that stuff called? That glitter paste that everyone bought at Tuesday morning that I have yet to use. So I'm like, I have to put it to use. And I just put some flowers, some foam flowers and some paper flowers. I added these little styrofoam balls in pink and white. And then I added some of these gems throughout. So I just try to make it look cohesive. And yeah. And here's the back. I wrote to Zuly, made with love from Pucci. And I put the year. Here's the back. So I hope that she loves it. Like I really did. Wanted to make her something really beautiful. And the way that I'm wrapping it, I'm just wrapping it in tissue paper. And tying it with some of this beautiful ribbon that Denise included in my Happy Mail. So I hope that she loves that. And I'm just going to tie this. Tie a little pretty bow. Alright. I'll fiddle with it in a little while. So what's next? I have these little treat bags from Dollar Tree. And I just have some stuff in there. I'm not going to get too into what's in here. I'm hoping that she does a video. Guys, I'm going to link Zuly's information in the description box below. I'm not going to post this video until I know she receives it. So if she does an unboxing video, I will link that so you guys can see exactly everything that's in here. I got these little treat bags from Hobby Lobby, and I just gifted her these little styrofoam balls. So she's in Puerto Rico, and stuff there is really expensive, and she really only has, like, I think it's Walmart available to her. So she doesn't have all the cool stores that we have here. So I always try to get things that they can't, anyone who doesn't have these stores available, I try to get them as much as I can from those stores, because I know what it's like to, like, watch hauls and want to get something and you can't. So I included some of these Valentine gummy bears. Here's another package. I'm like ripping this. Zuly, I'm sorry if you see this video and stuff. When you get it, it's kind of ripped. I just really didn't have any wrapping paper, and I want to get this out for you. This thing is jam-packed. As you can see, it's like breaking. And all I did was tie some twine. And this is the embellishment that I made on my tutorial with you guys. And all I did was glue it on a red. And I think I bought these on clearance around Christmas time. So I just glued it on the back, and look at how cute it is. So I just wrapped some twine and stuck that there. And I kind of want these to flare out like that. So that's for her as well. I have this little box here from Target. And I just want to add some more embellishments for her. You guys know I love making embellishments. There's some shred. And I just included some embellishments that I made. So these that I did in the tutorial. Again, I will link that video. I'm going to actually link the Valentine series. And it has every video of everything that I created. So I gave her 3 of these. I made these, what do you call these? These French hearts, tassel hearts, whatever you want to call it. I gifted her some of those. I made these shaker hearts, 2 of those. I gifted her some sequins mix that I used throughout this entire Happy Meal. And it actually has googly eyes from Dollar Tree. I just covered it with this foam. And Zuly, if you're watching this, you can actually peel this off in the sticker part of the show. I glued it where the sticker backing is still on there. And then I gifted her some rosettes that I made. I made these are the cupcake liners. And that's it. So I love doing little boxes like this and putting in handmade embellishments. It's just a really nice touch. I don't know, I really enjoy it. So let me stick everything back in here. And then I covered it with this stuff so that you can kind of get a little glimpse, but not really through the window. And you guys can easily make these boxes. I like to get these things already made so that it's one less thing I have to make, because I just spend so much time on making embellishments and stuff. Like, you're gonna see that I made a pretty, like, a good amount of stuff, but I still just felt like it wasn't enough. So I'm just gonna tie this. Okay, so that's for her. And then last but not least is the actual loaded bag. Sorry, I'm moving the camera and stuff. So this is my loaded bag. I know it's gonna be kind of hard to see. It's stuffed. It has her name, Zuly. I made a shaker here. On the side, I have a tassel that I made. And then it's packed with goodies, guys. I know this is hard to see. Let me lift this camera up. Okay, maybe that might be better. So I'll show you the actual bag when everything is out. So I'm just gonna pull some stuff out. So here's a clothespin again that I made. And in here, I have this little organza bag from Dollar Tree. I gave her some paper clips. Here are some bowls that I made for her. I made these little shaker hearts and I just added some paper clips, little hot air balloon embellishments that I did a tutorial. Again, it will be linked in the description box below. I love how these came out, guys. This tassel's bothering me. This should be hanging down. But all I did was use that punch, that hard punch that I used in my videos. And I wrapped some, I seen a person, I think her name is Kitty8. She did these embellishments that were so gorgeous. And like she had threaded them, I guess, through here. But that's too tedious for me. So I kind of wanted to like do my little spin on that. So I just wrapped it around and I actually glued the sequins. Really pretty sequins. And I added a little hole and added the little tassels that I made. I got a tutorial on this too, in case you're new to my channel. So I gifted her that. And then I have this bag here with the tassels. I gifted her some tassels that I made. You guys, I have a tutorial in the description box below again. And this cute bag. So that's that. And then I added this little pick. On the big part, there's so much stuff in here. I gifted her some of these rosettes. I really love making these. They're out of cupcake liners. And this is how I decorated the top. I used one of these cupcake liners, rosettes, and I just added some eyelash trim. Stuck one of these Target chipboards. And I don't know if you can see, but I layered some lace that I got from Allie here. And I just did like a little banner. So really cute, easy way to dress up your stuff. This is another gift for her. I have tons of gifts in here for her. So I hope that she loves everything. I gifted her some of these pom-poms. She loves llamas. So I got her these llama socks from Dollar Tree. They're so cute and this llama's so fuzzy. I added some of these squares. I hope that she can use these. I hope that, you know, like she'll find these really useful because they're tiny little dots. And again, I know that the stuff is not really available to her. So I want to include something like that. These are some flags that I made. I actually embellished some, but I just wanted to give it to her plain so she can embellish them herself. So Zuly, if you're watching these, hook these up. And I added some of that sequin mix. So not only did I put sequin mix in that little thing, but it's all throughout these packaging as well. Some Target stickers. These bows that I showed you guys how to make in my tutorial. And some of them I turned to paper clips. There's some sequin mix in there. And then last but not least, this little bag. And I'll actually open this one. So I just have like some confetti from Dollar Tree. And then those felt hearts from Dollar Tree. So that's it, guys. And oh, let me show you the bag. Let's move all this. So as you can see, I did way over what's required as usual. So this is the actual bag. I think it came out really pretty. Let's take this out. So you can see now I have the trim here with the leaf trim. It says Zuly. And it's really pretty glitter. And then a shaker. Then we have the pocket here. I did a little hole here to add this tassel. It's just a plain tassel. And then that's it, guys. I just stuck this little pin here. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope that you guys found it helpful, inspirational. Zuly, I hope that you love this. I'm so happy that I have met you through this swap. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.